Hello, boys and girls. My name is Erin Knight, and I'm so excited to be your teacher for Kinder Math. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use SeeSaw to find, complete, and submit activities back to me. So the first thing you'll do is you will log into your SeeSaw app on your iPad, click the Activity tab, which is a light bulb icon. Once in here, you will see a list of all the activities that I have sent you. The one we're going to look at today is graphing shapes. You'll click the green Add Response button. It might ask you to click your icon. Once in the activity, you will come down here to the Tools bar. The tool you need first is the Touch tool. This is going to allow you to touch the shapes and move them into the graph. You're going to build a pictograph of the shapes, sorting them by their attributes. Now, I'm not going to complete the entire activity for you, but we're going to pretend that I am finished. Once I've sorted all the shapes, I'm going to come down here to the pen tool, and I am going to record the number of each shape. So by the star, I have 1. I will write the number 1. I have 1 heart. I have 2 circles, and I have 1 square. Now, if you happen to make a mistake while you're writing, there's a handy-dandy eraser tool which will allow you to erase, and then you can fix any mistakes you make. When you are done, you will come over here and click the green check mark and send me your work. From there, I will be able to check your work and send it back to you. I hope this has made it a little bit easier to help you find activities that I have sent you and given you some information on how you can use the tools at the bottom to complete the activities. I look forward to working with you this semester.